Of course, this is a very private conversation here, and I treat everyone in the closed door. I hope there is no my competitor here. So anyhow, I'm a very down-to-earth person, and so here is how we charge. Actually, Emily is our client, and we also have Neil and Alex, our client as well. So they, received the same information here. As you can see, our base setup fee for construction project starting from 15,000 plus 10% of the cost of goods. This fee covers the initial setup, supplier sourcing, logistic planning, delivery coordination for a single project. So if you have like a number of houses, depends on if 1 to 2, then that's the basic. From 3 to 6, starting from 20,000 plus GST plus 10, he imported square meter, and in China 45. That's another 40% saving. And glass door 1,540, in China 497. And also blue chips 45 versus 18. And then the internal special window door in Australia, 19,961. In China, 849, 48%. And look at these folding doors. Which building doesn't have a folding door? Almost every single house. Love that, open living, folding doors. This one in Australia, 12,000. In China, 4,000. That's another $8,000 saving. Is previously importing from China usually are the merchant, the big wholesaler can make money. And yet, right now, as the developer, as the builder, you guys are in the best position. In the supply chain, they are what we call the wholesaler, they are retailer, and then they are X-Factor. Emily, as a developer, she has been to China with us, and she will share how that look like. And then I will answer any questions and go through all the 23 FAQ, how that look like, the builders, developers will ask. And then we have Luke and Anthony to share about the build metrics. Why does that related to your China sourcing? And then we have actually Sophie as the host to share from the RSM. Okay, why does RSM host this event? What does RSM do? And then we're going to have a panel discussion. So Emily, Luke, Anthony, and Sophie, and myself, we will come up and answer any questions you guys may have. Okay, so that's how tonight look like. So before actually I start
免费给你制作，下一个星期另外一个客户订单就来了，他就放到另一个集装箱里不就好了？就直接的把这个在你来讲是难题的事儿，对我们来讲都不是事儿。而且这个供货商，你说不听话，如果不听话，他怎么敢不听话？后面40个、50个订单在等着呢，他怎么会因小失大？对吧？第6一个，和你相比，你肯定没有我们专业。就说你可能是在你自己的，假设你是一个建商，你是一个开发商，你对自己的建筑的领域可能头头是道，你管理那些沙笔可能管理。
So, if it's the same location, same delivery time, same batch, there is no extra charge. It's a one single project, coordinate once. If it's the same location, different delivery time, there is extra $2,000 per additional batch, covers administrative cost. If it's different location, separate logistic, and it's just different project. Okay, make it very easy. 900 times 1,800, it's huge. In Australia, 56. This is what we call the even traders price. And yet in China, $17. Guess what? Some of my clients, they put that porcelain tile in their bathroom, in their kitchen, from the floor to the ceiling. So to upgrade the bathroom, the kitchen, look much nicer, and yet cost less. And they sold more. This is exactly one of my customers in Gold Coast. They did. They purchased land about 700,000. They probably spend around 700,000 for everything. And then they sold for 2.28 million. And they made almost 700K profit. So let's welcome this time Emily back, Luke back, Anthony back, Sophie back. All right. So what's there is a question, gentlemen. Yeah, go.
So Emily, have you placed your order and on the order yet? This is a good segue for that. So after having gone there and realising like the efficiencies I can gain from doing a slightly bigger project.
Thanks you for your joke. I wish. All right. Definitely no. All right. Next question.